My name is Amelia.
My name is Lisa.
My name is Ruby.
I'm doing my teaching at the minute.
I study early years level 2. My first day in the nursery school, it was very surreal. Walking in, it's something that you expect to walk into, but when you actually walk into the setting, it takes you back because of how happy everyone is and just the environment that you actually go into. It's just amazing.
I think about how relaxed the school environment is really. I mean, teachers, they don't, come in with a structured plan into the lessons. They can carry their babies on their back. Just the whole atmosphere really is completely different.
A lot of different things, if I'm honest. I think the toileting, the lack of facilities, the behaviour of the children was really a positive difference to me as well. But yeah, lots of different things.
In the UK, we always have to observe the children and watch the children because of all the health and safety that we have in place. But in the Gambia, the children are just allowed to explore and allowed to be free without having the support of the staff next to them.
I think inspiring me really to just be grateful of everything. I mean, looking at the children and seeing how grateful and happy they are for just what they have, it's just lovely to see.
Yeah, it'll definitely help me with my work because I feel like in England it's always we don't have enough resources, or we don't have this and we don't have that, but here it's very in the moment. Even in myself, just to be more grateful for what we do have at home.
I think I've learned a lot about myself and I've learned a lot about stuff that you can do without a lot of the resources that we do have in school, and children don't need everything to be happy. The children here are really happy and you can see that, and yet they don't have half as much of the things that we have back home.
Definitely not. Everyone has been so welcoming, so friendly, and I feel like even if people are a bit afraid to go on trips like this, they should still just go for it, because when you're here it's just an entirely different experience really.
I was really wary about coming, got really worked up before coming, but I think it's probably one of the best experiences I've ever done.
I wasn't afraid because I was excited that I actually got to get this experience and to experience something that a lot of people could never say that they've ever done in their life before.
Yeah, I would recommend anybody that was considering coming to come, and anybody that's worried about it, don't worry. I was worried and I'm glad I'd come, and I would definitely come back.
I think the children the most, just how happy they are, how they always just want cuddles and picking up. They're just so loving.
Definitely the weather, but definitely the people as well. They're very welcoming, very happy people, and they're very grateful for what they have got around them.
Everything. I like the fact how welcoming people are. I like the weather. The hotel where we've stayed has been amazing. The children are amazing, the teachers, the staff. Everything. I don't think I've disliked anything so far.
I don't really think there's anything that I don't like at the moment. No, nothing yet.
I'm excited for the home cooking, to see the experiences of how they learn at home, and just the nature of the family and how they all live together. I'm just really excited to see what the life outside of school is for the children as well.
I'm really looking forward to doing all of the trips that we have planned, especially the sunrise kayaking.
I'm looking forward to leading more activities and just seeing how that progresses. I tried one today that obviously teaching back home is very different to here. I took lead on an activity that didn't necessarily go to plan because at home we have a lot more support staff than what they do here. So having lots of resources out is quite hard to manage in the classroom, but I'm looking forward to trying it again but stripping it back a little bit and seeing if we can still get some of the English ways of teaching into these classrooms.